On April 1st, 2023, employees of various divisions of the Virgin Islands Department of Human Services participated in the Rev Up Awareness Motorcade. This event was organized by VIDHS, the Women's Coalition of St. Croix, the Virgin Islands Department of Health, and the Virgin Islands Police Department. April is Child Abuse Awareness Month and Sexual Abuse Awareness Month, and the motorcade was organized to raise awareness to prevent child abuse and sexual assault in the Virgin Islands.
Good afternoon, my name is Clemma Lewis. I'm the Executive Director of the Women's Coalition of St. Croix. We were part of a team with DHS, the Department of Health, and the Police Department to prevent child abuse and sexual assault in the community. So for the whole month of April, we will be having activities. We will be out in public. We will be asking you to wear teal for sexual assault, and we will be asking you for blue. Sexual Assault Awareness Month and Child Abuse Prevention Month. Please be aware of children that's being abused, and please be alert for victims that's being sexual assault. We need the community to stand by us, stand with us, and stand up against child abuse and sexual assault. Thank you.
Good afternoon, lovely people. My name is Ms. Ramos. I work for the Department of Health, Division of Behavioral Health. I'm the Assistant Director, and I'm here with my lovely team. We've just been celebrating, going through a motorcade for Child Abuse Prevention Awareness Month and Sexual Assault. So in terms of that, I just want to say, we have all the services to offer. Our number is 340-712-0096. As we celebrate Awareness Month for children, also keep in mind services are for adults as well. While we focus on the kids this month, we can also focus on the parents as well. So it's not just only the children, but give us a call, 340-712-0096.
Good afternoon. My name is Lisa Richards Ryan. I'm a district manager in the Office of Intake and Emergency Services. Today we had our motorcade that represented the children of today's community as well as victims of sexual assault. We're trying to make awareness in the Virgin Islands as to our children who are our future. Prevention is key to everything. So try to prevent child abuse and neglect as well as sexual assault awareness. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lovine Johnson. I work at the Department of Human Services. I am the district manager for the foster care and adoption unit. Our motorcade today was to bring awareness to child abuse prevention. As part of we being a part of the community, we're here to ensure that loving our children plus protecting our families equals a strong community. On behalf of everyone who came out today to show our care, concern, to make sure all our children are safe and well taken care of, we appreciate you, and we will continue to stay strong in the community.